Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about Betnovate GM cream, a powerful treatment for skin infections. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by GSK Pharmaceuticals. Betnovate GM cream. Uses. Betnovate GM cream is primarily used to treat skin infections caused by bacteria and fungi. Whether you're dealing with redness, itching, or swelling, this cream helps clear up infections and relieve those irritating symptoms. Benefits. What makes Betnovate GM cream so effective? It's a combination of 3 powerful medicines that not only kill infection-causing microorganisms, but also prevent their growth. This dual action clears the infection while relieving inflammation, so your skin feels better, faster. Side effects. Like any medication, Betnovate GM cream has some side effects. Most are mild and go away on their own, but if you notice persistent burning, irritation, or thinning of the skin, it's best to consult your doctor. How to use. Using Betnovate GM cream is simple. It's meant for external use only. Just clean and dry the affected area, apply a thin layer of the cream, and wash your hands afterward, unless you're treating your hands. How it works. So, how does Betnovate GM cream work? It's a powerful mix of betamethasone, gentamicin, and miconazole. Betamethasone is a steroid that reduces redness, swelling, and itching. Gentamicin fights bacteria, while miconazole targets fungi. Together, they effectively treat your skin infection.